Hi everyone, this is Sam from Booredatwork.com, and today we're taking a look at the R9 285. Now the R9 285 is I would say the successor to the R9 280. Now this is coming in to replace the R9 280, but then there's also a few changes here, which I'll mention in a second. This card itself has been given to us by the guys at Club-3D. They have been very nice to actually give us this card basically hot off the presses. They didn't have enough at their particular location, so they actually sent this over directly from the manufacturer. So thanks again, guys. We really appreciate getting this from you. Now, I'm going to walk you through a few of the features on this particular card here. This has chipset wise, this comes with the Tonga Pro processor unit here, and that's different from what you currently have on your R9 280. Now the Tonga Pro is actually pretty interesting in that it's able to give you a similar amount of processing power while using less energy, so it's more energy efficient and also more efficient in terms of calculations and processes compared to the chipset on the R9 280. Now, why do I have to mention that it does more with less? Simply because this card, the R9 285, does come with less memory. It comes with 2 gigabytes of memory, and it comes with a less, processing power, which is about 945 megahertz. Now, yes, it's lower than what you find on those specs are not up to the standard, or I shouldn't say up to the standard. It's not basically identical to what you see on the R9 280. However, given the fact that you have the Tonga Pro processor in there, you aren't really losing anything, because the Tonga Pro basically is efficient enough to give you pound for pound matchup against the R9 280. So that's a big deal for this card. Now just imagine if you had the same processor in a card that was similarly spec'd. So AMD has done a great job of basically streamlining the Tonga processor and basically bringing that up to a level where it does just as well as R9 280, but with less processing speed and also with less RAM. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this right here, which is the cooler here. This is an active dual fan cool stream right over here. So you should get some pretty nice ventilation on here, some pretty nice air getting into your card. You can see the heat sink behind that. So you shouldn't be running, you should be have a good control on the amount of heat that comes out of this card. Now I'm going to just stress that this card will take up 2 slots, and this is one for the vent and one for your connectivity. It has 2 DVI, 1 display port, and 1 HDMI. So you have all the standard connectivity that you would see in any other gaming card. This is the PCI Express connectivity. So that's also similar to what you see on any other card. And over here you have 2 6-pin power connectors for this ATX card as well. Now this should fit into any of the ATX cases. It supports quad crossfire, so basically you can have 4 of these cards in a crossfire configuration in your system. This card is it's basically going to be used for one of our builds we're doing right now. However, we ran into a little bit of issue with the PSU on that unit, so once that's fixed up, we're going to throw this card in there. I'm going to make sure we give you guys hands-on about how great this card functions. Now overall, this card is, when you factor in everything you're getting with this card, at a price point of about $249, this is a definite must buy, because you're getting really great performance, similar to what you get on the R9 280 right now. And you're getting that at a pretty decent price point of $249.99. So I would basically just say, hey, if you're really in the market to get an upgrade to a card and you're looking for something that's not going to break the bank, definitely consider this particular setup. Now, I'm going to mention the item code for this product. The item code here is a CGAX R92856. Now, what does that R92856 mean on there? Basically, what it means is this is a little overclocked. This is running at a processing speed of about 945, where normally you would get the R9 285 coming in at about 913 to 918 megahertz. So that's pretty cool. You're getting a little bit of an overclocked system here. So you should be outperforming similar cards at the same price. So hey, if you really want to get a good bang for your buck, I can't say that enough. You should check out this card. This is the Club-3D Radeon R9 285. Try saying that 5 times really fast. Now, once again, it's the Booredatwork.com. Enjoy your entertainment.